When it comes to universal appeal, few classics bring the smiles like Ford's legendary Mustang. Of course, universal appeal equates to high demand. High demand means big prices. Big prices beg the question, is original always better? And most enthusiasts answer that question with a slick, fully sorted Restomod like this razor-sharp 65 Mustang. Professionally detailed and ready to rumble. This awesome drop top is the beneficiary of a clean, ground-up restoration that transformed a stylish weekend warrior into a world-class cruiser. Thanks to an SVT-tuned motor, thoroughly tweaked suspension, and stylish leather interior, it'll keep you smiling all day long. If you're looking for a highly desirable muscle car that can provide years of open road fun, you won't even have to give the word original a second thought. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.